Hello guys, welcome back. Today I got my money.
And
As
I
you
will
can
show
see
you
here,
one of the things that I have learned
her hair is
in the
not
School of
very
Cosmetology.
full. Look at it after I rinse her hair and put some product on it and dry it, it will become fuller. Now I'll put my product. I have two products. First I will put leave-in conditioner to her hair. It's the first time I styled this mannequin. This is new. Lower it. Section it. I will round brush hair. I will round brush her hair to make it fuller. Make a clip. So turn around so that you can see.
So this is how you do it. After you put the product, you part the hair and use the blow dry until it dries, and then you part it again until you reach on the very top. It is easy, but it takes time. When I started it, it will make my arm tired, but when you get used to it, it will get better, and you get used to it. It's fun, and you will like the hair. The softness of the hair and the fullness of the hair will come after this, all the drying hair. So keep watching. There you go, we're almost done. As you can see, the hair is really good and there's a lot of fullness now. It is very different from the beginning as you look closer in the video. Thanks guys for watching. Subscribe for more videos. See you next time. Bye.